Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate percent change in Excel. Open an Excel sheet then. Let's say we want to know that how much change is happened between this cell and this cell. So what you do is just put a cursor on a cell, make it to percentage. It will be shown here percentage from the number format. You have to just click on it, click on the percentage sign, and it will be in percentage. So now you have to put a formula which is equals to, open parenthesis, click on the first cell, divided by, click on the another cell that you want to divide it from, and close the parenthesis and subtract 1. Click on enter. As you can see, it's 11% change from this cell to this cell, or this cell to this cell actually. Well, if you find this video helpful, like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye for today.